Here we're going to look at an introduction to functions. We're going to look at the coordinate plane, which is formed by the intersection of two perpendicular number lines called axes. Here we have the y-axis, which is the vertical axis, and we have the x-axis, which is the horizontal axis. At the intersection of the two, we have the origin at 0, 0. The coordinate plane consists of four quadrants. Quadrant 1 is in the top right, Quadrant 2 is in the top left, Quadrant 3 is in the bottom left, and Quadrant 4 is in the bottom right. Here we're going to look at graphing points on a coordinate plane. The first point we have is M at 3, 4. So you want to start at the origin, go 3 units to the right, and then 4 units up. This is going to be point M. Now let's take a look at point N at -2, 0. Start at the origin, go 2 units to the left because it's negative, and then just stay on the x-axis because the y-coordinate is 0. Here we're going to be generating a graph using an equation and the x-coordinates given. We're going to input the x-coordinates into the equation and then produce a y-coordinate in order to create ordered pairs. So we can start by inputting -1 into the equation for x. Then we're going to do the same with 0. The same with 1. And we're also going to input 2. Now we can solve the output equations in order to figure out the y-coordinate. 4 times -1 minus 3 equals -7. 4 times 0 minus 3 equals -3. 4 times 1 minus 3 equals 1. And 4 times 2 minus 3 equals 5. Now that we have our x and y, we can make ordered pairs. -1, -3, -7, sorry. 0, -3, 1, 1, and 2, 5. Now we're going to graph on our coordinate plane using the ordered pairs that we have just produced. So let's start with -1, -7. So you want to go 1 unit to the left from the origin and then down 7 units. That's going to be your first point. Now you want to start at the origin again and go down 3 units. That's going to be your second point. Now you want to start at the origin again, go 1 unit to the right and 1 unit up. That's going to be your third point. And your final point, you want to start at the origin, go 2 units to the right, and then 5 units up. Now you want to connect the dots with a straight line in order to produce the graph.